Hey everyone, I'm going to be talking about how to make a great website. So, my name is Zach. I go by Zach Ross. And why should you listen to me? Well, I've been making websites since I was 14 years old, and now I'm 27. So, that was about 13 years ago, and I started in 2011. And I have a degree in computer science. Great, now that we got that out of the way, let's get started. Here is what I will be covering. Why should you build a website? What is a goal? Navigating a website. Text on a website. Your contact information. Ranking on Google. Does the technology matter? Do you need a custom website? And some bonus tips at the end. So, number one, don't build a website because you need one. Build a website because it accomplishes a goal. So, for example, a clothing company wants to sell products. A landscaping company wants to generate leads. A podcast wants you to sign up for its newsletter. So let's define what a goal is. Simply, a goal is something you want to do or achieve. Once you define your goal, every decision should then be based on one question. Does this action or decision help me accomplish my goal? So, navigating your website. This should be easy for both a child and an old person. Think of it like an elevator button. People use these buttons to get somewhere, so don't make it confusing. Navigation should be found on the top of the website. Just keep it simple. Have 4 to 5 buttons max. Don't make people think because that takes energy. Okay, next topic. The next secret to a great website is the font you choose. Choose something simple that other brands use. So, for example, I love Poppins, this font that I'm using right now. Other popular fonts are Open Sans, Roboto, and Merriweather. Don't put too much text on there. White space is great. White space is the empty white or black space around the text or images, or whatever color your background is. Apple does a great job at this. So remember, people don't read websites. They scan websites. Also, pictures are worth 1,000 words. Make sure to be and sound human. If you're not a large company, don't pretend to be one. Own your smallness. Relatability works really well on the internet and in person. Show that there is a real person behind the website. Act human by including a picture of yourself. Pictures build trust, and people trust people, not websites. Next, always make contact information obvious. For example, if you are a restaurant, make sure hours of operation, holidays, phone number, and location are easily found. Let's talk about Google searching. People use the term SEO or search engine optimization. This is just how high on Google your website appears when someone searches a topic. But guess what? There is no simple trick for ranking high in Google. Just make really valuable content for your visitors. That's it. However, there are some basics you should learn, which I can link you to. But there are no shortcuts. Now, does it matter what website builder you use? The short answer is no. There are really great websites built with bad website builders. And there are really bad websites built with great website builders. This matters way less than you think. Choose something you are comfortable using. Now, you may be asking, does your company need a custom website design? What I mean is, should you have a website developer code your website? The answer is no. 95% of websites should be built with WordPress or a website builder, unless you are reinventing the wheel. And guess what? Don't reinvent the wheel. If there is one part of your website you should make sure that looks good, it's how your website looks on a phone or mobile device. Test this by opening up your website on your phone. Simple. You shouldn't need to pinch and zoom in order to see text or images on your website on your phone. Most people visit websites on their phone, so make sure you focus on the mobile version first. And for a bonus tip, perfect is the enemy of good. There's no such thing as perfect, just progress. That's my favorite quote. Your website is not a work of art. It is meant to accomplish a goal for you. So just launch your website as soon as possible. If you would like me to take a look at your website for free, I'd be happy to do so. Just click the Calendly link in the description below, and we can hop on a call. Thanks for listening and learning how to make a great website.